Thank you so much for everyone tuning in to our virtual bar experience brought to you by St. Elder Artisanal Liqueurs and Rhode Island Monthly.
Tonight we have Alyssa Venuti here, and we're excited to have her mixing up some drinks at Nick's on Broadway on their outdoor patio. She's going to take us through a couple of the different products we'll be using and a few different drinks. One is like the more basic version, the orange old fashioned, and then the second one is a riff on that drink, more of she's putting her own play on it too. So she'll take us through both of those. So welcome, Melissa. Thank you so much for being here with us. We're excited.
Thank you, Jamie, and thank you, MS Walker. Appreciate it.
We're so excited to have you take us through these drinks tonight.
Nice. So Alyssa, we're gonna let you dive in with the first cocktail and making an orange fashioned.
I'm gonna try to replicate this at home over the weekend, so I'm gonna really pay attention to what you're doing.
Our first step, we're going to use a West Cork Bourbon Cask, which is actually their flagship product. And with this, so this is aged for 4 years in a first fill bourbon barrel, which West Cork, so they began in 2003 with all this. Usually they get their bourbon barrels from Kevin Cooperage. Think of Four Roses, Wild Turkey, and Jim Beam. So with this, we're going to use 2 ounces of West Cork Bourbon Cask. This half of my jigger only goes to 3/4 of an ounce, so I'm currently at ½ an ounce. But you want 2 ounces.
2 ounces. So you just put 2 measures in there for 2 ounces? Is that about right?
Perfect. Yes. So yes, Jamie. So 2 ounces of the West Cork Bourbon Cask and one of our lovely showcase liqueurs this evening, St. Elder Blood Orange. So we're going to use this in a ½ an ounce measure here. So St. Elder is actually awesome. This product, along with their pamplemousse and their St. Elder Flower Liqueur, is actually distilled down there in Boston.
Wow, it's really close. I didn't realize how close it is. Huh.
Right. I had no idea as well. And 2 dashes of good old angostura bitters.
That's good. Just a tiny amount of that stuff, right? Because too much is...
Only 2 dashes does wonders for anything. So with this, and not to dilute, now we're going to add some ice prior to stirring. And in this, we're really utilizing the St. Elder Blood Orange in place of the sugar.
Okay.
So high content.
It's pretty much done for you then, right? Just add that in there. It's
all good. It's all good in there. So now I'm just going to do a little 20-20 stir on this.
Okay. So
the
just
Blood Orange liqueur is awesome. That, as well as the pamplemousse St. Elder, was added last summer, which I had no idea about.
That's grapefruit, right? Does it smell like orange when you're mixing it? Can you smell that hint of citrus?
So yeah, you get a heavy citrus on the nose. It's more of a tangerine essence than anything, with like very mellow vanilla notes to it, and like a heavy slight lemon edge.
Nice.
Yes, it's very nice. So with this, and in here I just put a large king cube inside of a rocks glass. And now we're going to strain this over on here. It's beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yes. And to garnish, we're going to do a little orange zest. Personally, when I orange zest, I like zesting over in here, and my good old hammer steel pear knife. Really. And then you really want to squeeze that orange peel in there to get that essence. I always love to rim around the glass. And
how did you get the zest off of the orange? That's something I've always struggled with.
Oh, if you have a simple potato peeler or an orange peeler, you can do that at home. I just usually, for less maintenance over here, use my knife.
It's a knife?
And
okay.
You you can just lightly knife. I don't know if you can see this, Jamie.
Kinda. I'm definitely getting close to the camera so I can see.
Yeah. Yeah, you just want to do it just enough so that there's still like this nice white rind on the orange.
Okay.
Yeah, because you don't want any bitterness to come out of it. Huh. And then when you squeeze it, you'll definitely notice a little spritz coming out, and that's all the essential oils, which are awesome. Yeah. It just smells nice. Definitely gratifies summer for you, for sure.
Orange, That's the orange fashioned.
Yes.
So it's obviously a play off of the old fashioned too. So which is
correct. Yes, nice and orange on the nose for sure. It's really, really nice. The blood orange is subtle. It's definitely the second. In the front, you get that nice, slightly roasted caramel toffee from the West Cork Irish. Definitely, malt barley comes through. It's just beautiful. Perfect for summer, nice and light.
All right, cool, Alyssa. So now let's take it into your riff and get another cocktail going.
What's it called? The West End Spritz, right? The West End.
Yeah. So the name behind this is because Nick's on Broadway. We are in the West End of Providence, and then hence West Cork Irish whiskey. I thought that was fun. So if you're at home, I know a few of you definitely have cocktail kits that you picked up today. Thank you again. So with this, we're going to be using 1.5 ounces of the West Cork Bourbon Cask. Grab this. So nice. So 1.5 ounces of this. And then next what you're going to do, so you're going to add 1/2 ounce of the St. Elder blood orange.
Nice. You only need a little bit of that, huh? It's not very much.
Yes, you only need just a little bit. It's so like aromatic. It's in the mouth, but in like and then so the blood orange grapefruit versus the pamplemousse St. Elder. So this blood orange is 35% ABV, whereas the pamplemousse grapefruit liqueur, as well as the original St. Elder, is only 20%.
Wow. So that one has more powerful punch.
Yeah, it definitely does. So this is the ginger honey reduction, which we're only adding 1/2 ounce of.
Right. You make that there at next to, or?
So yes, so we totally make our own syrups, reductions here. However, this one I did make at my house. So with this, you never want to get to a boil, but I did equal parts, so 3/4 of a cup of raw sugar. And then in that, I put it in the saucepan and I just preheat it for like 30 seconds. And then I add basil stem.
Oh, sounds pretty easy.
Raw honey, especially the honeycombs. So that's really where like that honey packs in. And this is plum juice, which I pulverized myself. If you were not able or are not able to make plum juice, Jamie, so any other stone fruit will be a lovely substitute. Really think of like peaches, nectarines, anything nice like crisp, which is what the plum does. Gives it some like nice taste. So this plum juice, I'm adding 3 ounces into our lovely tin over here.
You could probably just buy some juice too if you didn't want to make it yourself. And
oh yeah, yes, that. And if you're going for more of a color, you at home, folks that are watching, you'll see the lovely, beautiful color in the glass. So if you're going for more of color, pomegranate juice will do you justice.
Ooh, yep.
And this is the ginger honey reduction, which I had made. So with this, I just zested some ginger, sliced it as well, and then did the same thing with the raw sugar, preheated in the pan, added the ginger zest as well as the ginger slices, some of the honey, and then I put in 1.5 cups of water in this. And you never want it to get to a boil, otherwise it's going to taste like charred, like roasted marshmallowy.
Yeah, you can make a big batch of that and just save it at home and use it in drinks, right?
Oh, yeah. Yes. Yeah. Definitely. Definitely.
But if you don't want to do any work at all, just stick to the blood orange, right? The St. Elder.
Correct. Yes, just the blood orange.
Yeah.
And over here, because my dropper broke earlier when I was pulling, so this is saline.
Saline?
Correct.
What is saline? Tell us about that.
It is essentially liquefied salt water.
Oh.
So with this, I use whole grain kosher salt, and then again, I heat it in the saucepan a little bit. And I add 3/4 of a cup of water, and again, you never want to let it get to a boil. You just want that salt to really disintegrate and get in there. And what saline does is the same thing which like salt and pepper do to food. I really just like entrees. It just like rounds it out, perks it up.
Yeah. So it's not contact lens solution, basically, or whatever.
Exactly. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to use like the quarter edge of my bar spoon because my dropper bottle broke. I don't know if you can see it, but it's just enough. So one little drop of that.
Nice.
And then going back to the whole salt and pepper aspect, now you want to do one fresh crack of black pepper. And this really brings out the basil, and it's basil in its own, especially holy basil opposed to Thai basil, nice peppery.
I wouldn't think to add pepper to a cocktail, but adds a little bit more flavor and brings out the basil, huh?
I love utilizing black pepper and sea salt saline. It just brings it out, especially if you're running like short on bitters.
Yep, it's a good DIY trick.
So I'm currently slicing up a lime because we just want a little bit. We just want a little bit, one squeeze lime juice in here. Now we'll add the ice.
Is that fancy ice? Did you guys hand chip that or?
Fancy ice? What?
Is it fancy ice, hand cut, hand chipped, or just normal?
Oh, yeah, Chef Derek was down there hacking up the ice.
He does it all, doesn't he? He really does.
Lovely ice machine. And everyone loves a good shake. I'm going to do about like a nice 10-second shake, it nice and frothy.
Okay. So 10 seconds is how long you should shake a good drink to get the flavors to meld and bring it all together.
Yes. Yeah, you just want it to get nice and cold. Do a little bit of this. All right, so now we'll add our ice into our product. Right here. All right, and I am going to use my fine strainer. I did strain the plum juice through a cheesecloth. However, there is still some skin in it.
Yeah, so you want it to be as smooth as possible. That's why you strain it. Yeah.
On my tablecloth. No worries.
That's okay.
Yes.
Never want to waste a drop of that drink.
No. We'll bring this out later.
All the work goes into it.
Yes.
Looks delicious.
Thank you. And to top this spritz off, we're going to top it with a little bit of prosecco.
Ooh, bubbles.
Just a little bit of prosecco. Yes.
Put some bubbles in
Hence
there.
the spritz. Yes. And I'm a huge fan of like negative space in a glass, so that's why it's just a touch.
Just a little bit from the top.
And now to garnish, so I picked some fresh basil from one of our beautiful herb gardens out here on the patio. So all through our patio, we have bright, fresh, luscious herbs, which is how we make all of our reductions here. We garnish all of our beverages here at Nick's on Broadway.
You grow all that stuff, so that's good. Yeah. You can just go right outside to the patio and pick some. Was it basil that you took the basil?
Oh, yes. So when you smack an herb, it releases the aromatic essence, all like the natural oils inside of it, and it really gives you that nose intoxication of it. One of my favorite things to do is to drink with my nose. I enjoy smelling spirits and cocktails first, and then drinking it. It just gets out. So I just garnished this with smacked basil, a plum slice, and a bar spoon of raw honey on the comb. Thank you, Whole Foods. Yes. And this is your West End Spritz, everybody.
It looks beautiful. Definitely. Love it. Thank you so much, Alyssa. We've really enjoyed having you on and showing us your skills. And thank you to Derek for giving us the patio space for the night and providing different areas of the restaurant so that we can get this done.
Thank you so much, Alyssa. Thank you, MS Walker and Rhode Island Monthly. This was another awesome session. Learned 2 new cocktails, so hopefully you guys can go out and buy the spirits and enjoy them, or possibly already have them. So thank you
Alyssa,
so much, guys.
I'm coming to see you at the bar soon. So once you guys get rolling again.
All right, bye, guys.
Thank you.